Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Digital Learning English class at St. Joseph English Medium School, Vijaypur. Dear students, as you all know, I am Mrs. Manikya Chikmat, your English teacher for 3rd standard. Dear students, in our last video, we have learnt about poem number 4, books, and we learnt about grammar part, some language development activities. So, today in this video, we are going to study about the lesson number 5, Rover, Mr. Smith's best friend. Okay, before that, let's do some pre-reading activities. Okay guys, all of you know about pet animals? Pet animals means domestic animals. Which animals we love? We like most? Okay. How many of you have pet animals at your home? Yes, most of you have pet animals at your home. Pet animals means some domestic animals like dog, cat, birds, cow, ox, horse. These animals which you like most. Okay, let us know some information about pet animals, how the pet animals are useful to human beings. First one, horse. Horse is useful to as means of transport. Horse is used in game called polo. Horse is useful to pulling cart. Next one, cow. Cow is very useful animal. Cow gives us milk. Cow's tongue is useful to fuel. Cow's tongue is useful to manure to the plants. Animal is ox. Ox is useful to farming the field. Ox is useful for pulling cart. Next one, hen. Hen lays eggs which used to eat. Some animals are used as a means of transport. Example, horse, donkeys. Donkey is also used as a means of transportation. Donkeys, they are also used to bring people up in the mountains by carrying human daily needs. Also, they are the source of transportations in many parts and they carry heavy things for humans. Next animal, camel. Camel is a sheep of the desert. Camel is useful for carrying loads. Camel is useful for human in desert. Next animal, sheep. Sheep skin or hairs used as a wool which used in the sweaters. Next one, most famous pet animal, dog. So, dogs are the one of the most loyal animals since ages. They have served as the pet animals of the households. Their honesty and faith, loyalty have no match. They are the one of the most selfless creatures and just love to be around their owners. Dogs are very useful to us. Dog helps us protecting our house from the thief. Many people love to domesticate dogs and keep them in their houses. Dog guards our houses. Dogs have a powerful sense of smell. Dogs are very useful to us and dog saves our life from the dangerous things. So, dog is very useful to human beings. Dear children, I hope you all understood why we discussed about pet animals. Yes, today's lesson number 5 is related about the pet animal, dog. In this lesson, dog leads main important role in the story. So, without wasting our time, let's do the reading practice of this lesson. Lesson number 5. Rover, Mr. Smith's best friend. Rover is a sheepdog. He belongs to Farmer Smith. Farmer Smith owns many orchards. He also has many sheep. He takes them to the hill slopes for grazing every morning. Then he tells Rover to look after them and goes back to the fields. Rover is a friendly dog. All the sheep listen to him. They do not trouble him much. If a lamb does try to go away, Rover barks and quickly brings the lamb back to the flock. In the evening, Farmer Smith comes to take the sheep back. Rover rounds the sheep for his master. He barks and goes around the sheep in circles till they are all close together. Then Farmer Smith takes them back to the farm. Rover gets rewarded with a big, juicy bone. One day, a lamb hides from Rover and quietly goes towards the hilltop. When he reaches the top and looks down, the flock is very far away. The lamb is scared and starts to bleed. Rover and the sheep hear his cries. Rover runs to the hilltop and tries to bring the lamb down. But the lamb is very scared. He does not come down with Rover. Rover runs all the way to the farm. There he finds Farmer Smith working in the orchard. Rover catches hold of his pants and pulls. Farmer Smith goes with Rover to the hill slopes. He sees the poor lamb on the top of the hill. He climbs the hill and picks up the lamb. He then brings him down to the flock. Farmer Smith is very happy with Rover. "Well done, Rover," he says. "You are a really good sheepdog." All the sheep bleats together. They all seems to be saying, "Well done, Rover. Hip hip hooray." So, this completes the reading practice of this lesson. Dear children, you all have to read this lesson 3 or 4 times and do the reading practice of this lesson. Thank you.